The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Ladies and gentlemen, our world is slowly coming to a burning and complete end. There are many reports of the sun getting more bigger and getting closer to the earth, making getting more hotter temperatures. Temperatures is now 240 degrees and 280 degrees Fahrenheit. Many reports of people and animals are burning and melting to death after touching the hot ground. NASA has discovered that the sun has known kicked out of orbit during knowing cause and is headed on collision course with the earth. There is nothing we can do to stop this situation. Once the sun hits the earth will turn into a huge fireball and other planets will get out of orbits as well. The sun is too large to be deflected away from the earth. Entering extreme heat and radiation, it's impossible to deflect away by using nuclear missiles. There is no way to escape from this cataclysm event. There is no reason to stay calm. Go into complete panic mode. If you want to, gather your friends, family, pets, kids, and children, and prepare for your death. The national anthem will play for the final time. Goodbye, we see you in heaven.